Welcome to the SWOT, the Swabian on tour, another day out. Today, this short video looks a little bit different because I'm filming with the DJI Action 5 Pro Action Cam, but I don't film often with this camera because I don't like the fisheye effect you have on the both sides, this curved lines, this fisheye effect. But today I'm here outside in the valley, and look, I have my T1 bicycle with me. You can look the unpacked video in my channel. I'm outside here to pick up my car from the auto repair shop, and I used my bike to pick the car up, and yeah, I'm here. Look, here drives a car. I hope you can understand me because the microphones on the backside are not so good like on the front, and that's a brand new street here. It's not open for the cars. A few cars are driving here because there's a bus station nearby, and the workers from the bus station, from the depot, the bus depot, they have to use their cars to go or to drive to their working place, and that's pretty cool. Look, that's really cool to film with the camera and also drive with the bicycle. I hope the sound is good because it's a little bit windy today. Yeah, maybe I have a better video in the future. Look, the bus have to drive here this brand new street, because over there's the other street and they cannot drive there. Look how nice the clouds today, very nice. That's the valley here between two cities. You can write me in the comments if you like the picture quality from the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. I don't use a filter. It's the normal out of the box camera. I think I switched the sharpness a little bit down, but you can tell me in the comments if you like this picture quality, image quality. The front display for me is a little bit dark and a little bit small. I hope you can understand me now because the wind is blowing. But look, very nice, the nature here. And that's the bicycle, the DYU T1 in action. I'm testing it. Really cool. drive here on this day. A little bit cloudy here. Yeah, they made it here brand new, and they how can I say it, the curves here are not so small anymore. They made it more straightened. Look, the stones. They make here, I think, a water channel in the near future. Here they have it already. And here from the forest, look, the water comes from here. They make here, or made here, a channel under the street. Wow, quite long shot with no cut. But look, I want to show you this nice clouds here with wind noises. I think I don't have a monitor, but yeah, it's a small update video for the bicycle. And that's the DYU T1. I show you this bike here in nature light. You can turn it here on, and you see here the battery level. You have different, oh, I don't know the name. My English is not so good to know all these names. I show you this bicycle without any comment, and you can translate it for yourself. A clock, and here, look, we have here the battery. You will need a key. That was my priority, to pull out the batteries, and I can load the battery in the room at home. And I see here, here you have this for the saddle, the adjustment in the height. You have here different warning signs. It's a little bit damaged. That's that's from me, not from DYU. And here you can push here the slider and open the bicycle, and you can make it half the size. Oh, it's pretty cool. Oh man, I have to learn English a lot. I don't know the specific words when it comes to the video. Wow, and look, you have here a plums tree. Oh, they're quite big right now, look. And here they made the canals, the channel, new, nearby the old creek. Here I can zoom in a little bit. The picture quality is not so good. Oh, I must hurry up because the wind is stronger. I hope you can understand me. And now I feel the first raindrops on my skin. Yeah. Let's ride home or to the car. Let's ride to the car and pick it up. But before I show you a little bit from the valley, let's ride together. Wow, they made it brand new here. I think they make here a part of a new creek. Whoa, the rain comes here. Apple tree. Very nice, very beautiful. Oh, the wind, and it's not warm anymore. It's a little bit nippy. Oh yeah. Guys, I end this video. It's only a short gimmick, a short update, or like I said or write in my videos, it's a B-roll. I must go home. It's raining. And yes, guys, that was the video. If you liked it, then give it a thumbs up, push the notification bell. I hope you can understand me and subscribe to the SWAT. When the Swabian is on tour again, maybe on a sunnier day, on another day out. Thanks for watching and tschüssle, tschüssle. I need both hands. Wow. Look, the workers here. And now the rain is coming. No!